Race with rules, race with rules, race with rules, race with rules. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Green Lightning is super fast. He has the blast. Wiener's the cheater of the race. Dodge is the oldest in the face. Don't forget ep2. Race with rules, race with rules, race with rules, race with rules. Race with rules, race with rules, race with rules. Race with rules, race with rules, race with rules. Race with rules, race with rules. Race with rules. Old cars can win. Hey guys, ready for the next race and rules? Who cares? Yeah, you racing, Dodger? I might. Dodger can't win. He's too old. No, he isn't. He's 20. He's 58, and you're only 2, Green Lightning, and I'm 15. So there. I'm sorry, Dodger. It's all right. I am really old. The race will be tonight. Are you going to race? Okay, but just for you. I think I can work something out. Okay. Welcome, folks, to another race. It's Greeny versus Wiener, and Dodger is a surprise event. So, are you ready? Are you steady? Race with rules! Ah! Oh no! Ah! He's going to. Oh no! Dodger's going to crash. What's he doing? And Dodger wins. Green Lightning in second place, and Wiener at last place. No! 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 And today's trophy goes to Dodger. Dodger won! Dodger won! Dodger won! Good race. But you haven't seen the last of me. Boo! Boo! We want her! We want you go! No, wait! Don't push me away! won more trophies before. Really? Let me tell you about them. Well, there was one trophy that I won in the semis. So they all lived happily ever after. The end.